This 27 years old load-bearing home got new shape through our renovation, which includes both structural renovation and interior design. I will take you through this home renovation project that is located in Indiranagar, Bangalore. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert in Bangalore. We remodeled this cramped 3 BHK house and made it spacious 2 BHK house with right space planning. The master bedroom is extended by remodeling the guest bedroom space that was earlier here. We demolished the wall, extended the master bedroom, and we constructed ISM beam to transfer the load. We constructed a new bathroom for master bedroom with high functionality. Anti-skid tiles for the floor and matte finish tiles for the walls were laid. The sanitary fittings includes wash basin, premium range commode and shower fittings. A minimalistic wardrobe with study unit in unique color combination completes the interior design for this master bedroom. Take a look at the customized space inside the wardrobe that is designed as per the client's requirement. We always use high quality materials in our designs. Coming to the living room. The modern TV unit is designed that reflects modern minimalistic theme of this home interior design. Please find all videos related to this home renovation project in the playlist link given in the description below. Now, let us move on to the heart of every home, that is kitchen. The old kitchen is remodeled and modern kitchen that focuses on functionality and aesthetics is installed here. Bonding waterproof plywood and laminates are used in the kitchen. The kitchen has a base unit with tandem boxes and shutters for storage, a tall unit and functional overhead units. The chimney exhaust pipe is concealed this way. The guest bedroom gave way to common bathroom construction. This is the extended kids bedroom. So, This is about this 27 years old load bearing home renovation that is located in Indiranagar, Bangalore. For old home renovations in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.